Hi guys! So today's video I'm going to be doing a homeware haul. As you can probably already tell by the title, I am really excited to do this video. I've got so many nice things I bought recently for my house, so I just wanted to bring them all together and do a haul video. I'm in a little bit of a different part of my living room today just because one of the things behind me is one of the things I'm going to be talking about in this video. I'm also filming in natural lighting today, so hopefully this video doesn't look too dark. So yeah, before I start rambling on, as I usually do in my intros, I'm going to get straight into the video. I've been to a few stores. I've been to The Range, B&M, IKEA, Matalan. So I've got a few different things from different places, but I just wanted to show you everything I got because I've got quite a few really exciting things to show you. So I'm going to start off with what I've got behind me, which are these metal chests. So these were from a store called Beautify, and they have an Instagram account. If you haven't already come across them, you probably have. They're all over Instagram, and I will link everything I've got in this video that I can link below, so you can click if you want to buy them. But this I got from the Beautify website. I think they also have an eBay account as well, and these were £60 for two, so they're quite big, as you can see, and they're cream. Well, they're called cream on the website, but they are pretty much white, and they've got like rose gold clips on them. So these open up and you can put like whatever you want inside. I've got like some throws that I'm not using at the minute in those, so I just thought they were absolutely beautiful, so I got those and they were £60, which I think is brilliant. They also have them in grey and black and navy. Yeah, I'll link those below so you can see where to get those. Next I will move on to The Range. So I bought quite a few floral things from The Range. These are really exciting if I can get untangled. So first thing that I bought were two of these really cool garlands. So I think these are absolutely amazing. They've got loads of flowers on and like little, I can't remember what those flowers are called, little roses and leaves, and they're just absolutely beautiful, really nice, like pink and white. So I thought these would be brilliant to decorate for like spring, summer, make the house look really nice and summery. So yeah, you can use these ends to kind of, I don't know, hook it over something. I don't know how you'd use that, but I think I'm going to use these like over the top of my bed. I've got some fairy lights over the top of my bed, and I think I might like intertwine them with this. So I've got two of these, and these were £8.99 each, which I think are so good for the price. I then also picked up some roses. So this is a bouquet of roses. This was like in the wedding section, and this was £5.99 for the bouquet. There's about 9 or 10 roses in here. They're really nice colour, and they do look quite realistic, to be honest, from far away obviously. So I picked this up, and I also picked up 3 of these, like, I think they're eucalyptus leaves, but they've got like little bits of pink in, which I think are amazing. And these were £1.99 each. So I picked up 3 of these and then 1 bouquet of these. And I'm thinking what I could do is either take one of these garlands and kind of pop some of the roses off this bouquet and stick them in there, and then maybe even cut some of these eucalyptus leaves and stick them in just to make them a little bit fuller. Or I could even just separate this bouquet up and just put a couple of like eucalyptus leaves with them and put them in a vase or something. So either way, I'm going to be using these somewhere in the house to kind of make it look a little bit more summery. I just think the colours are lovely, like the light pink, blush pink and the green. I just think it's going to look really fresh. So super excited about that. The Range have an absolutely amazing range of floral decorations, so I could have spent absolutely hours there just picking up flowers and arranging little floral bits and bobs, but that's everything I got from The Range. I'm now going to get on to IKEA. So the first thing I got was this ivy. It didn't come in this vase, I've just put it in here, but this was £3 from IKEA. I did manage to kill my last one, so this is a repurchase, but I'm going to try and keep this alive. Next thing I got from IKEA is this watering can. I absolutely love this. I think it looks so cool. I've seen this in IKEA a few times and I wanted to pick it up for a while, but it's £9 and I think for the size of it, it's a little bit steep. But I've seen a few of these similar styles in a few different shops and they're quite expensive as well. So I just thought I'll bite the bullet and get this. I just think it'll look really nice on the side. I think I'm going to keep this in my kitchen and keep it full of water because I've got like some herbs and plants along my like kitchen window, so I can just kind of water them when they need watering. Just think it looks really nice. And then also for my kitchen I picked up this. So this was £6 from IKEA and it's just like a planter. I'm gonna put my herbs I've got in here, so I've got a couple of herbs I can just put in and keep them all nice and tidy, and I'm going to keep that more window ledge, which I think will look really nice. I then picked up a candle because every time I go in IKEA I have to pick up a candle. This one is so nice. This one's peach. I don't think I've seen this in there before. Either it's quite new or I've just never noticed it, but this smells absolutely amazing. So this was £1.85 and it's a really big candle. Next, I just bought some cushions from Matalan. So these are like that Mongolian fur style cushion. I love these pillows. You can probably see behind me I've got grey ones, I've got pink ones, and now I've got white ones. I can't stop buying these cushions. So these from Matalan are, where's the tag? £12 each, but when I went in they had like a sale kind of thing on like cushions and throws, so I got it a little bit cheaper. I think they were £9.60 each in the sale, and they're really big, so nice big squishy cushion. So I think for £9.60 that's absolutely brilliant. So I got 2 of those. Then just something I bought from B&M. So I bought a dinner set, that's what you call it, and it's a 16-piece marble dinner set. You probably can't see it too well on the picture, but this was £20 for, you get 4 mugs, 4 small plates, 4 big plates and 4 bowls, and I'll just show you what they look like. So this is the mug, so you get 4 of those. And then you've got the bowl, so really nice subtle marble effect on that. And then these are the plates. So they're just really nice marble effect. And I think for £20 that is really good, to be honest. I went in next just before I went to Matalan and they had a similar set and it was £38, but you only got the bowls, plates and the smaller plates. So for £20 for the 16 pieces, I just think that was brilliant. I didn't need plates or bowls or mugs. I've got more than enough, but I just fell in love with those when I first saw them quite a while back, so I just had to go in and get them. And then lastly, just 2 pretty boring things, but I'll show them anyway. I got some clothes pegs from Aldi and these were £1.78 or something random like that. I needed new clothes pegs, so I got some clothes pegs. And then lastly, I just picked up a reed diffuser. I was looking for a lavender one, but either they didn't have any or they did and it didn't smell very nice. So I picked this up in fresh sweet pea, which is just a really nice sweet smell. And I'm just going to put this in the bedroom, and this was £2.70 or something along those lines. So not too bad. I just thought I'd pick that up because anything smelly in the house I do appreciate, as long as it's a nice smell. So I think that's everything. Short and sweet, but I thought I would show you everything I got because some really nice things that I picked up. As I said, I will link below anything that I can link, so the chests and like the pillows from Matalan and things like that, just so you've got them if you want to purchase anything in the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're not already subscribed then please do, and make sure to click the notification bell so you can see when I next post a video. And I think that is all. I will see you in the next video.